Binigay kay Jimenez. Eto ngayon, Hernandez. He fakes. He pulls it up. He gets a basket.
And partner, that's like a James Yap move by Levy Hernandez.
Eto ngayon, Amito, one under. Oh, he missed. Amito picks it up.
So, foul doon si Levy Hernandez. Hinawakan niya si Amito. Take a look at this instant replay. A little shimmy. He's open. He takes the jumper. Nothing but net, partner.
Smooth na smooth yung release doon nitong si Levy Hernandez. 2 minutes and 39 remaining, partner. The crowd will be loud here. And he gets the first free throw.
Kita-kita mo, Bray. Hating-hati ang crowd.
At mukhang mas malakas ang cheer ng likuan bahay, partner. Amito, he completes the two free throws.
1 point lead.
Just a 1 point lead para sa likuan. Here's Jimenez bringing down the ball. Jimenez. He picks. He drops it up. What a nice pass for Kit Jimenez.
Great play by Kit.
Ito ngayon.
At partner, baba na tayo sana. Last 2 minutes is last 2 minutes sponsored by Solid North Batteries. Turismo, trabaho, progreso.
Ito ang inagawan. Hernandez. Oh, strongly in. What a big pull up.
At sasabihin ko yung sinasabi ni Sep Sarmenta. And listen to the crowd roar.
And a 5-point lead para sa likuan bahay. Ito yung magandang pasa ni Jimenez kay Rabe. And we have a timeout. Magbabalik pa ang Solid North Park Telescope. Nagbabalik tayo sa ating ball game, Solid North Park Telescope. 5-point lead para sa likuan bahay. Inigo asking for a clear out. Binigay kay Amito. Eto ngayon. Merong pitong referee.
Yes, technical.
At
this is the second infraction, partner, ng improper bench decorum.
Sayang yung possession na yun.
Correct. So, second infraction yan for Likuan Bahay for improper bench decorum. So, titira ng technical dito, partner, si Inigo, who's been struggling in the fourth quarter. Wala pa siya na-score sa fourth after scoring 20 points in the first 3 quarters.
Kanina meron siyang 3 points yung N1 partner.
He has a total of 24 points. Ito si Inigo. Correction lang.
Ito ngayon Asuncion. Binigay kay Inigo. Ito ngayon Amito. Tinitingnan kung may magdo-double team. Hand up kay Inigo. Inigo attacks. He gets a top shot. What a nice move there para kay Axel Inigo.
And don't look na, partner. Balik na naman sa 2-point game.
A minute and 25 remaining. Jimenez. Domingo fakes. Jimenez pulls up a three. And it will go to Tayum possession. Look at the top shot there by Inigo. That's the replay.
Wow, what a shot. That's just about less than a second on the shot clock nung tinira niya yun.
And malaki ang puso nitong si Axel Inigo, not giving up. Eto ngayon, Jamer Hamito. Hand up, Ali. Binaybay ang ilalim. JB Hamito. Short sa kanyang jumper. A 2-point lead. And there will be a foul. 43 seconds remaining.
At malayo pa sa penalty and Tayum. That's only the 13th foul on Alfiler.
18 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Ito ngayon Domingo. Binigay kay Jimenez. Jimenez. He kicks it out. Domingo fakes. Rabe. Hamito with a big rebound. Hamito. He attacks.
No! He missed the shot. He missed the shot.
Tayum. Oh, wow. What a series of possession. 16 seconds remaining.
At partner, hindi na tayo magbe-break. Panoorin natin yung last replay. Here's the drive. Kung na ba na traveling pero walang tawag.
Partner, i-explain ko Si Jamer, partner, hindi niya binuhat yung bola. If you can see yung replay, partner, hindi niya pa na-establish yung ano. Ayan, so he pushed the ball, he picks it up. So good yun. Oo. So magiging traveling partner if he established position. So ito malinaw, kita mo yon. He pushed the ball, he dribbles. So that is good. Walang traveling doon. So that's a good call para sa no call para sa mga referee.
Now after this situation, sige, drive natin. Pagka-drive niya, the last touch would be on Kit Jimenez. Bola po sa penalty na Likwang Bahay. Wala kang timeout ang tayo. This will be for the win for the White Shirts.
And 16 seconds remaining, partner. We'll see if we're going to overtime
or for the win if they want.
Last push. Oh, ang baba ng pasa. And a steal. Domingo Lester. Oh, Tasem. 9 seconds. Wala na timeout. Inigo. Will go to Likwang Bahay.
Nasita na wide open.
This is an upset, partner, para sa Likwang Bahay. And Likwang Bahay pulls up a win here. Our final score, 76-72. Partner, may chance pa sana yung Tayum, but since the defense was tougher para sa Likwang Bahay, they pull up a win here.
Overall, bibigay natin ang play of the game para sa Likwang Bahay for Debbie Hernandez, a steady performer on first half in the second half, points and rebounds. He had a double performance, but also credit to Kit Jimenez. Last loose ball for Domingo's layup that sealed the win for Likwang Bahay.
And partner,